Hi everyone. So today I am filming in a very weird area because I seem to have this bluish tint to anywhere I go in my downstairs house for some reason. So I am actually doing it from a table by my front door. It's really super weird, but the coloring looks so much better here than it did upstairs or in my kitchen. Everything seemed to be blue. And so here's a few things I have put in my home. There's just a couple of the reindeer and Santa. I have like a little cubby right here in my front entrance. So I'm putting these two little guys with some fake snow, and there's lights underneath there. So that's where I'm at. So down here is the table right here. And I have two kits that are so amazing. I had to come out here and show you. I think they are so amazing. This one here, I don't know if anybody's know who they are by just that foot. This one here has been around for quite a while, but I love her so much and I decided to paint her. This one here is a brand new kit that I just got a few days ago, so I want to show them to you. You have to see their faces. I mean, this is amazing. I'm going to show you their face first, which is something I don't usually do. But look at her face. Is she not the cutest? So if anybody doesn't know what this kit is, it is Laura by Bonnie Brown. She is fairly new. I am so excited. I'm also getting a chase from Stephanie Ortiz that I hopefully will be here soon. And so I almost see like a brother-sister thing happening. I got a little bit of light happening in my window. But look at this, how pretty. I'm going to bring her up. Look at her face. And the lips. Oh, isn't she beautiful? The nose. There's her ears. Her ears look so real. Like, wow, those are pretty ears. But look at that face. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. So I wanted to show you the rest of her. And guys, her hands, oh my gosh, are amazing. Take a look at this hand. And this arm. Oh my gosh, look at these hands. Oh my gosh. And there's the arm here. Look at the way that those hands are made. Oh my gosh, Bonnie Brown did an excellent job of this baby. It's incredible. The fingers, the hands, they're just incredible. I'm like overjoyed by what I am seeing here, and I am so excited to start to get painting again. Look at this hand, guys. Just look at the hand and the arm. Look at this, the way the hands are. Is this not amazing? Look at those fingers. Oh my gosh, and they're so long. Her fingers look so long. Look. Oh my gosh, but look at the creases. Oh, she's just beautiful. Yes, I'm really super excited to paint this. Oh, those hands are to die for. I just love open hands. I do like fisted, but when I get an open hand, I get so excited. And there's one of her legs. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the little wrinkles right there. Look at the creasing you're going to have to do on this one. Oh my gosh, and the toes. Look at those feet, guys. I am telling you what. I know she might be kind of hard to see because I have, they're sitting in the background, the rest of the pieces, but hopefully you can get a good look at her feet. Look at that. Does that not look like a baby's bottom of their foot? Like a real baby's bottom of their feet. With all those little indentations. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. All I'm saying is the kit is amazing, guys. If you haven't gotten, there's more. Look at all the little lines. Oh my gosh. Love to paint that creasing. Look at the front. You can always see the bone of the leg. Oh, look at the creases. Look at this toe, guys. Look at this toe. Oh my gosh, these feet. Look at that. They are so cute. So cute. I'm loving this. I am absolutely loving this. And look at all them little creases. And that big toe is cracking me up. I mean, how it's just sticking out in front of the rest of them. Oh my gosh. So if you have not gotten this kit from Bonnie Brown, Laura, it's amazing. And I did get the body, and there is a COA, I believe. It's in the box. I did not bring that with us, but just had to show her face again. She's going to be really pretty. And those chubby cheeks, kind of like Chase had, she's got them. So I'm so really super excited. Oh my gosh, the cheeks are killing me. Look at that. So I'm so super excited to get started working on her. And so we're going to go the other kit. And this kit, like I said, is an older kit. Been around for a little bit, but watch this face. Oh my goodness. And who doesn't know who this little Reborn vinyl is, it is Sansa by Ping Lao. This doll is a hot commodity. I'll tell you what, there is a lot of Sansas going around right now, and I'm loving every one. I am hoping to get one of Michelle James. She is selling the Sansas in a cuddle baby form, and I want one so bad. I'm trying to get a hold of one. It's kind of hard to do because she just makes them and puts them out there to sell, and I'm waiting for her to come back and do another one so I can get one from her because I want this cuddle baby. I want it to be a cuddle baby. This one does have full limbs, this kit. But look at that face. When you get her painted, she looks so real. And so Michelle James is with Palm View Reborns, in case you wanted to know. That's where she can be found. And here are the feet, in case anybody has not seen. Look at that. This beautiful baby. Look at those toes. Oh my gosh. Look at them toes. And pretty good nail. I mean, her toes are, I'm over here. Her toes are tiny. They're not very, as I'm looking at them, and her feet are very small. They're not very big. They're a lot smaller than you just seen Laura's feet. These are a lot more smaller. But I'm going to tell you what, this baby is going to be so gorgeous when it is done. So I really got two amazing kits. I did get another kit, and I forgot to bring it down here, so I have one more other kit, and I cannot tell you the name of it right now because I am having an old lady moment, and I have a big brain fart right now, and I cannot think of the kit that I just got. And for some reason, I have Penelope in my head, but I don't think that's what it is. I don't know. I'll have to show it to you guys, though. But look at those toes. I love it. Ping Lao does some amazing work. I mean, I seem to love all of her babies. Doesn't matter which ones they are. This hands, look at the hands. See, like I said, I do like the open hands. I think they're just amazing, the open hands. And I hope I'm not going to, I'm trying to move over here a little bit. Hopefully I'm not going to blue again. I need to readjust my camera. But look at that. Her arms. That hand, I love, like I said, I love open hands. I do like fisted. Like I said earlier, I do like the fisted, but I am an open hand kind of a person. So, and look at this. Oh my gosh. These kits are driving me crazy. I just want to go upstairs right now and start painting. With the holidays, I'm just so busy, and things haven't come together like I want them to right now, and I'm having a few issues with my health, and it's just slowing me way back. But I'm definitely ready to get painting. Like I said, my craft room is ready. I just haven't been up there to really get it all situated yet. Only because I've been lazy. Well, I had hip problems earlier and I couldn't walk very well, so getting up and down the stairs was like a no-no. But look at those hands. Anyways, this wasn't supposed to be a video about my health. It was supposed to be a video on these two Reborns. Oh my gosh, these Reborn vinyls are amazing. Sansa also comes with the body. I just don't have it with me. They both come with COAs. and I left them in the box. I left her body in their COAs. I just wanted to show you guys the 2 new kits I got, and I have another one that I will show you in a future video, but that's what I want to come out for, guys. I just wanted you to take a look at these beauties. I can't wait to start painting. I've got the bug so bad, so I really need to get up there and try to paint. So anyways, guys, I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I know this video isn't going to go out for a while, and I know I said Thanksgiving. It's probably going to be another week or more before I get this video out. So, but I hope, you know, like I said, I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. Even if it was a couple weeks ago, I hope everybody finally got the chance to be with their loved ones for Thanksgiving. And for me, it was amazing. I haven't seen my family, some of my family, in almost 2 years. So it was great to see everybody. So I hope Christmas, I'm praying that Christmas will be the same and everything will still remain, that we can actually get together and have that Christmas time with each other. So fingers are crossed. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming out and spending a little part of your day with me so I can show you these beautiful, beautiful babies. I think they're gorgeous. Just, y'all, I just can't think. I'm getting more subscribers and more subscribers every day. And thank you for joining my channel, for the new subscribers and to the old subscribers. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy that you are here and you are wanting to spend some time with me to see what I have and what content I'm putting out. So thank you so much. I'm going to let you go. You all stay happy, safe, well, all those good things. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.